50 miles. Manufacturer's test vehicle, loaded. EcoBoost 3.5 liters turbocharged V6, all-wheel drive, technology package, lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring system, THX2 surround sound system, cold weather package, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, plush heated and cooled front seat with massage, sync voice activated Bluetooth system, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include GA tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.